Join us now is former prosecutor, attorney Todd Flood. Good to see you again, Todd. A pivotal day in the courthouse. You've done about 300 trials as both a prosecutor and a defense attorney. So what did you make of the defense putting the shooter's mother on the stand, and how did she do?
I think she made some faux pas, some mistakes. It was a very self-serving direct examination with very little effect. Mitigating all of the points that were brought up, I don't necessarily think, in my experience, that bodes well for the defense. Jurors can kind of read right through that. So I think it was a big gamble. And you can also tell that she was well sanded. She was well prepared to give simple answers.
And the prosecutor, Todd, reviewed every witness and key pieces of evidence in her closing. Did she prove this was, in fact, involuntary manslaughter in your eyes?
You know, I think, and I understand the prosecution wanting to put 20 witnesses on the stand and showing the impact and going through methodically through all of that. But I think you can boil it down to really one simple moment in this case that gets her over that burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. And that is the day of the shooting. When a mother is sitting in that room and sees that photograph and the graphicness of that photograph and the fact that she knows her son has the potential to have a gun, just to have ordinary care, 1 second of saying to her son, I need to talk to him alone. I need to find out, where is that gun? Because to me, that was what the prosecution, I think, really puts it over the hump for proof beyond a reasonable doubt. It's clear to me that all the other witnesses are why they did it, but that was a pivotal moment to me that day.
And Todd, there have been some questions about how the defense attorney has acted during the trial, and apparently some TikTok videos she said today. Did she address that effectively in her closing today? How do you think the jury will respond?
I think, the jury, actually, the defense had her best moment today. She had her best moment, even though it seemed that for many people like nails going across the chalkboard at times. It was a moment in time where you saw some authentic her. You saw some, this is who she is, and she addressed a lot of issues, and she made some solid points. I don't think it was effective in the sense that it gets her client off the case. I think the best she could hope for here is a hung jury, and start all over. That's, I think, the best she can hope for.
Yeah, a lot of personal stories, Todd.
Yeah.
A lot of personal stories. We'll see if they translate with the jury. Attorney Todd Flood, thank you as always for your insight. Appreciate your time.
Thanks for having me, as always.
All right.